This is the gorgeous matte black SinkShroom. Let's check it out, and I'll also go over the installation. It just fits right in. It does come with some adapters in case you have a wider drain. It does an amazing job of catching all the hair and gunk, so you just pull it out, clean it. You can use a tissue, a baby wipe, old toothbrush, something like that. You could throw it in the dishwasher, whatever, and then stick it back in. But before you can install it the first time, you have to take out your drain. And to do that, you have to go under your sink. There are a lot of easy YouTube tutorials and stuff, but you have to detach the lift rod. And then you simply lift it out, and that's done forever. You can leave your lift rod in there, which won't work anymore, or we just took ours out, and then you want to fill the hole. And then this just goes in and out, so easy peasy. There are some different models, but this one, it's metal. It is elevated a little bit, so there is a bit of splatter that happens, especially if you run the sink really, really high level. But for me, it's so worth it to know that this is catching all the hair and I don't have to like detach the system to clean it out or use a snake or something. Like, this is gonna make it so much easier. And it's also gonna catch things like if our kids let jewelry or something go down the drain, it's gonna catch all of that right here. Nothing gets past it. It's just amazing. The SinkShroom is awesome. The tub shroom is awesome. They also have a kitchen shroom. We are huge fans. I'll just show you this one. Works in the exact same way. You have to take out the drain, and look at that one. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so gross. So if you clean it regularly, it won't get all moldy and gross. But if you let it go too long, it gets real nasty. You just need to use a toothbrush and then throw it through the dishwasher or something like that. Blech.